Hello, I'm Asif Farouk of Finextra and we're here at the Swift Business Forum in London, and I'm speaking to Luc Meurant of Swift, and we're going to be talking about KYC. Luc, what are some of the biggest challenges affecting the financial industry now with regards to compliance?
I think there are two main challenges that banks face today. One is effectiveness and the other one is efficiency. So effectiveness first, the big challenge is that really banks are expected to catch all those transactions, all those people that are involved in financial crime, and it's not easy. Because basically regulations evolve, they're different country by country, and there is some ambiguity in terms of what is expected from banks. So effectiveness is a challenge, and it's not easy. And after that, second challenge is efficiency. What we have seen is that all banks have developed their systems on their own. There's been very little collaboration between banks, no standards, and therefore what you see is that costs are increasing dramatically. So effectiveness, efficiency, these are the two key challenges faced.
There's a growing demand for a global KYC registry. What are some of the challenges in fully implementing this?
Well, I do confirm we see growing demand from a global Know Your Customer registry. It makes a lot of sense. I'll give you two numbers to illustrate that. On Swift, we have 7,000 banks which are involved in correspondent banking, and yet those banks, they generate 1.3 million relationships between themselves. So if you don't come up with a kind of efficient central services, the inefficiencies in the system are huge. Now, challenges is basically you need all the banks to contribute their data, and you need data of good quality. So these are the two challenges, contribution and quality.
And what did you learn from the sanctions screening service that was launched 2 years ago?
So we launched indeed that sanctions screening service 2 years ago. We already have 170 users in 75 countries. To me, we learned two things out of that. One, shared services can be developed, because what is interesting in that service is that the same service is actually used in 75 different countries. So you can build scale economies, therefore you can create efficiencies for the community. And the second thing to me, the second learning is that there is appetite for much more. Today's theme is about collaboration. The more we can build utilities, and I think the more we'll meet the demand from our customers.